Hello students, welcome to online class. Myself Sudhakar TM, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Government First Grade College, Kushanagar, Kodagu District. In this session, I am going to explain problems on computation of taxable income and tax liability of a company. In this session, we'll see two problems with solution. First problem, Ashmit Fertilizers Limited is an Indian company. Its income for the year ended 31st March 2020 was derived from the following sources. Profit from fertilizers business, it's a business income. Dividend from an Indian company, we know it is exempt from tax. Interest on government security, it comes under income from other source. Long-term capital gain from transfer of building rupees 3,80,000. Dividend from a foreign company, it comes under other source and it is taxable. Other information, amount of donation paid to the Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund. It's a donation. Uh, so that means the company will get deduction under section 80G, and it's a without limit donation, and the rate of deduction for Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund is 50%. Is deducted while calculating business income of rupees 15 lakh is rupees 1 lakh. Advance payment for assessment year 2021 is 4 lakh. That means it's a advance payment of tax. Compute total income of the company after considering the advance tax and TDS if any. Okay. This is a format of computation for total income of Ashmit Limited for the assessment year 2021. Business income has already given 15 lakh and capital gain 3 lakh 80,000, and under other source Indian company dividend it is always exempt from tax. Foreign company dividend it is taxable. Interest on securities 20,000, so total 60,000. We get a gross total income of rupees 19 lakh 40,000. Then from gross total income we have to deduction under section 80. In this problem, donation they have given, it comes under 80G, and the rate of amount or qualifying amount is 50%. 1 lakh in 50% means 50,000, and the total income we get 18 lakh 90,000. Next, we'll see the tax liability, and we know that the tax rate for the company is 30%. So tax on total income 18 lakh 90,000, it comes around 5 lakh 67,000. At surcharge is nil because the income is less than 1 crore. Had health and education cess at 4% on the tax amount 22,680, and the total tax liability will comes around 5 lakh 89,680. From 5 lakh 89,680 we should deduct advance tax paid by the company. It is given in the problem 4 lakh. So net tax payable is 1,89,680. This is our first problem. Which is the second one. Padma Shri Company Limited, which is an Indian company, shows income of rupees 10 lakh for the previous year ending 31st March 2020. Other income and payment. Company distributed dividend to its shareholders on 30th September 2019, rupees 1,50,000. Above income included a sum of rupees 50,000 being dividend from another Indian company, and we know dividend from Indian company always exempt from tax. During the previous year, it had donated 1,50,000 to National Defense Fund. So deduction under section 80 G without limit deduction rate of qualifying amount is 100%, and 1 lakh to the National Illness Assistance Fund of check. Again, it comes under without limit 100% deduction. Compute the total income and total income of the company. So computation of total income of the company for the assessment year 2020-21. Business income and other income, they have given 10 lakh, and from this income it includes a dividend from other company shares 50,000, so should be deducted to arrive the business income. So after deduction we get business income of rupees 9,50,000. In this problem there is no any capital gain, so capital gain is nil, and other source Indian company dividend exempt from tax. So gross total income is 9,50,000. Less deduction under section 80G. Here there are two deductions. One is donation to NDF, Rate of qualifying amount is 100%, and other one is donation to National Illness Assistance Fund. It is also 100%. So total 2,50,000 should be deducted from gross total income to get a total income. So we get total income of rupees 7 lakh. Okay, in this problem they have asked only to calculate the total income. There is no any tax liabilities. Thank you.